Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be exploring another app that is free. This one you install, but it can also be portable. And it's the best file copying manager in my opinion. Don't take my word for it. It's called Teracopy. So looks like this is the new updated version. And they have also Android application. They have the Mac version of Teracopy. You have pro versions of these apps, Windows 7 through Windows 11 for Teracopy. Download software. So we're going to open here. That would be download software and Teracopy. Launch when ready, install. Now here you have a file explorer. In the old version that I have, 2.3, you have a list, duplicate, run as administrator, and the settings. Register copy handler. I like to use default, add to explorer context, check free space. This is good because it tells you before you copy it that you're gonna need so many megabytes or gigabytes or terabytes if you're gonna be out of space. If you're copying a 9 gigabyte file to an 8 gigabyte secure digital card, it'll be like, yeah, I know this isn't gonna work, and it'll stop you, which is really good. You can keep it always on top so it just stays here. Otherwise, you can have it going and you can do all your other work on finish, keep the app open. Yeah, I've never seen a lot of these new stuff. You can also have it work with Directory Opus, which I heard is another good file explorer manager window. Here you got file list, target, options. You can check the owner, transfer, prompt on file name collision, overwrite, skip, overwrite older, small. If the different files, 1 megabyte buffer size, you can verify it, and we can actually test it right now. And get to my Ventoy drive. We're going to copy over Windows 10 to software and see. So it'll ask you if you want to use Explorer or Teracopy. And then there's the progress here, copying from, and here's the target. That's your file. This is the only file it's copying. Tells you the percentage, how much of it's copied, how much is left. You can pause it, you can skip it, you can stop it. And another good thing is that if you gotta do different ones, this one won't start unless you tell it. So right now we're gonna copy 9.5 gigabytes. It's doing the one file. It's not gonna copy this one. And then if we want to try a different folder, no, don't show next time, just use Teracopy by default. So this one is going, and this one is the next one that's going to be copied to in a different folder. So when this one is done, this one should technically kick in. And this one is finishing, and there it goes. It automatically does the next one. Not like with Windows File Explorer, where if you copy stuff into different folders, it automatically starts doing all the queues right back to back, which slows everything down, especially if you have an old HDD and it doesn't know what it wants to do, and that's when your drive decides to go kaput. So for Teracopy, I give it a 10 out of 10. And that's it for Teracopy. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.